In this podcast episode, Dr. Robynne Chutkan, a renowned gastroenterologist, shares valuable insights on gut health and its impact on overall well-being. Dr. Chutkan emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in digestion, immunity, energy levels, mental health, and even estrogen production. She highlights that gut issues such as bloating, constipation, and irritable bowel syndrome are on the rise, particularly among individuals aged 18 to 44. Dr. Chutkan explains that the gut microbiome acts as a barrier between the external environment and the immune system. The trillions of microbes in the gut communicate with immune cells to trigger appropriate responses to potential threats. A well-balanced gut microbiome is essential for training the immune system to differentiate between harmful and beneficial substances, thus preventing autoimmune diseases and allergies. Dr. Chutkan outlines 3 fundamental habits for maintaining a healthy gut: hydration, movement, and fiber intake. Adequate hydration helps in lubricating the digestive system, while regular movement stimulates gut peristalsis, promoting the smooth passage of food through the intestines. Consuming a variety of fibrous foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, provides essential nutrients for gut microbes to thrive and produce beneficial metabolites. While probiotics are commonly marketed as supplements for gut health, Dr. Chutkan cautioned against excessive reliance on them. She explains that probiotics may compete with native gut bacteria for resources, potentially disrupting the microbial balance. Instead, she recommends consuming fermented foods like kimchi and sauerkraut, which serve as natural sources of probiotics and prebiotics. Prebiotics, found in fibrous foods, act as fuel for gut bacteria, supporting their growth and diversity. Dr. Chutkan discusses the hygiene hypothesis, which suggests that reduced exposure to microbes due to increased sanitation may contribute to the rise in autoimmune diseases. She confirms that individuals living in overly clean environments may have an overactive immune system, leading to conditions like allergies and autoimmune disorders. The gut-immune connection underscores the importance of early microbial exposure in training the immune system to function optimally. Dr. Chutkan addresses the higher prevalence of autoimmune diseases in women, attributing it to factors such as hormonal influences, genetic predispositions, and environmental exposures. Women's increased use of personal care products and cosmetics, which can be absorbed through the skin, may also play a role in triggering immune responses. While the exact causes of autoimmune diseases are multifaceted, the interplay of genetics, hormones, and environmental factors contributes to the gender disparities observed in autoimmune conditions. Dr. Chutkan highlights the role of diet and lifestyle in managing complex autoimmune disorders like Crohn's and ulcerative colitis. She mentions that by incorporating fibrous foods into the diet, individuals can improve their microbiome and gut health, leading to positive outcomes in autoimmune conditions. She shares her success in helping patients reduce their reliance on immune-suppressing drugs through dietary changes and lifestyle modifications. The podcast delves into the connection between gut health and estrogen metabolism. Dr. Chutkan explains the concept of the estrobolome, a collection of bacteria in the gut that metabolize estrogen. Disruptions in the estrobolome can lead to estrogen dominance, impacting conditions like fibroids, endometriosis, and menopausal symptoms. She emphasizes the importance of maintaining a healthy gut to support proper estrogen metabolism and overall hormonal balance. Dr. Chutkan discusses the gut-brain connection, highlighting the enteric nervous system in the gut and its communication with the brain via the vagus nerve. She explains how neurotransmitters like serotonin, crucial for mood regulation, are primarily produced in the gut. Imbalances in the gut microbiome can influence mood, cognition, and memory, underscoring the significance of gut health in mental well-being. Dr. Chutkan stresses the importance of hydration in maintaining gut health. She recommends consuming half of one's body weight in ounces of water daily to support proper digestion and bowel movements. Adequate hydration can prevent constipation, improve gut motility, and enhance overall gastrointestinal function. Dr. Chutkan explains how anatomical differences in female pelvic structure can contribute to bloating and constipation. Women have a longer colon, deeper pelvis, and more organs in the pelvic region, creating potential challenges for optimal gut function. Understanding these anatomical nuances can help individuals address digestive issues and prioritize gut health. The podcast delves into the topic of stool health and bowel movements, shedding light on what constitutes a healthy bowel movement. Dr. Chutkan describes the process of stool formation, from liquid waste at the top of the colon to solid, brown stool at the end. She emphasizes the importance of daily bowel movements and proper hydration to support optimal gut function and eliminate waste effectively. Dr. Chutkan advocates for a personalized approach to health, considering individual factors like diet, lifestyle, and medication use in addressing gut health issues. She emphasizes the need to identify and address underlying causes of digestive issues rather than relying solely on medications. By understanding the interconnectedness of gut health with overall well-being, individuals can make informed choices to support their digestive system and overall health. Dr. Chutkan delves into the various factors that can cause constipation, including mechanical issues, medication use, hormonal imbalances, and muscle dysfunction. She explains how conditions like anismus, a condition where the muscles in the rectum do not relax properly during bowel movements, can contribute to constipation. She also emphasizes the role of stress in gut health and how it can impact digestion and overall well-being. Dr. Chutkan highlights red flags that indicate more serious gut issues such as blood in the stool, unexplained weight loss, vomiting, and severe abdominal pain. She advises listeners to seek medical attention if they experience these symptoms to rule out any underlying health conditions. Dr. Chutkan introduces the Gut Bliss Method, a 10-day plan for improving gut health. The method focuses on removing harmful foods and practices, replacing them with healthy alternatives, and restoring overall gut health. She emphasizes the importance of eating more plant-based foods, reducing stress, and staying hydrated to support a healthy gut microbiome. Dr. Chutkan explains how stress can negatively impact gut health by triggering the sympathetic nervous system, diverting resources away from digestion. She discusses the gut-brain connection and how stress can affect digestive enzyme secretion, acid levels, and gut microbiome composition. She emphasizes the importance of managing stress to support optimal gut function. Dr. Chutkan empowers listeners to take control of their gut health by understanding the signals their body is sending. She encourages individuals to listen to their gut and make lifestyle changes that support digestive health, such as eating more plant-based foods, reducing stress, and staying hydrated. She emphasizes the importance of paying attention to gut health and seeking medical attention for any concerning symptoms.